Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to build customer journey maps in Notion using templates in 2025. Start with a journey map template from Notion gallery or community. These templates are structured to capture each stage of the customer experience from awareness to consideration to purchase. They usually include columns or stages, touchables, customer emotions, and pain points. Customize the template by adding your own products or services, mapping key interactions like websites, visits, emails, or support tickets. You can also tag owners for each touchpoint, so teams know who is responsible for improving that part of the journey. Finally, collect your customer journey map with Notion database like CRM records or marketing campaigns or support trackers. This ensures every update customer data reflects in the map, keeping it living tool instead of static document. And that's it, how you can make your customer experience more transparent and actionable using Journey Map template in Notion in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.